Now next property we'll see, that is a reaction with acid and reaction with water. So first we'll see the what is the reaction of metals with water. Yes. Most of metals do not show any observable and fast reaction with cold water, but some metals like sodium and potassium reacts with cold water to produce various products, which part hydroxides and hydrogen gas is produced. Means metals reacts with water to form hydrogen gas or their hydroxides. Now let us see the activity how metals reacts with water.
Samples of a few metals like sodium, magnesium, iron, and copper. Put small pieces of these samples separately in a china dish having cold water. Add the metals in cold water one by one. We will observe that sodium reacts with cold water. The rest of metals do not react with cold water. Similar activity is performed in hot water. Magnesium reacts with hot water, and the rest of the metals do not react with hot water. In case 1, take a hard glass wood soaked in water. Now put iron wire and heat the test tube. Iron reacts with the steam. A gas evolves. Bring burnt matchstick, it burns with a pop. We conclude that hot iron reacts with steam to produce hydrogen gas. In case 2, repeat the experiment with copper. Hydrogen gas is not produced. Reaction with water. Let us do an activity to demonstrate the reactivity of metals with water. Take a 250 milliliter beaker. Fill it up to half with water. Cut a small piece of sodium metal carefully. Dry it using filter paper and wrap it in a small piece of cotton. Put the wrapped sodium piece into the beaker and observe, keeping away from the beaker. You will observe that the sodium reacts vigorously with water. Now touch the beaker after completing the reaction. It becomes hot. Test the solution with red and blue litmus papers. You will find that the red litmus paper turns blue while the blue litmus paper does not change. This test confirms that the solution is basic in nature. By this activity, we can conclude that metals react with water to form bases.
This is the chemical reaction or chemical properties of metal. Like sodium, yes, sodium reacts with cold water. When sodium metal is added into the water, so it reacts vigorously. Yes, it burns. That's why it is always kept in kerosene. Sodium metal always kept in kerosene because sodium reacts vigorously with the oxygen present in the water, and that's why sodium is kept into kerosene.
Take a test tube containing a piece of sodium. Add.
Now next property, that is the we'll see about reaction with acid. How metals reacts with acid? Generally metals, for example, if you see magnesium metal, when magnesium reacts with water, then what will be the reaction? Mg plus HCl, hydrochloric acid, to form salt of that metal, MgCl2 and H2 gas. So hydrogen gas is produced. Means metals when react with acid to form salt, metal salt, and hydrogen gas is given out. Now study this activity how metals react with acids.
5 milliliter of dilute hydrochloric acid with the help of a dropper to test tube from a bottle. Bubbles come out of the tube. Bring a burning matchstick near the mouth of the test tube. Gas burns with a pop sound. It shows that acids react with metals producing hydrogen gas. Reaction with acids. Let us do an activity to demonstrate the reactivity of metals and non-metals with acids. Take samples of magnesium ribbon, aluminium foil, iron filings, peeled copper, charcoal powder, and sulfur powder in separate test tubes and label them as A, B, C, D, E, and F. Add 5 milliliter of dilute hydrochloric acid to each test tube one by one using a dropper. You will observe that some gas is evolved in the test tube A, B, and C, while none in the rest. Now, bring a burning matchstick near the mouth of the test tube A, B, and C. The evolving gas burns with a pop sound. The test tube D, E, and F do not evolve any gas because they do not react with the acid. This activity shows that some metals react with acids to form salts and give out hydrogen gas, while the non-metals do not react with acids. Take a test tube containing
So this is the property, that is metals react with acid and non-metals do not react with acids.
a fresh solution of sodium hydroxide. Add a piece of aluminium foil using a spatula into it. You will observe that a bubble formed in the test tube. Bring the burning matchstick near the mouth of the test tube. Gas burns with a pop sound. We conclude that metals react with base to produce hydrogen gas. Take 4 beakers half filled with water.
So these are the properties, chemical properties of metal. What is the first chemical properties? Reaction with oxygen. Second, reaction with water. And third is the reaction with which one? Acid. So reaction with oxygen, reaction with water, and reaction with acid. So reaction with oxygen, metals react with oxygen to form metal oxide. Rusting of iron is the reaction of metal with iron with oxygen. Second, metals react with water. Some metals react with hot water, some metals react with cold water. Sodium metal reacts vigorously in cold water. Magnesium reacts with hot water. And reaction with acid, metals reacts with acid to form metal salts, and hydrogen gas is given out. So these are the chemical properties of metals. Now next we'll see about the chemical properties of non-metals.